Welcome to Phone Transformer. Today we'll walk you through how to download a text message from an Android step by step so you can save those important conversations anytime, anywhere. Now let's get started. Step 1. First, grab your phone and open the Google Play Store app. You'll see the search bar at the top. Tap on it to continue. Step 2. Now type in SMS Backup and Restore. That's the app we'll use for this process. Once you see it in the search results, tap on it and hit the Install button to download it to your phone. Step 3. When the download is complete, open the app. It may ask for some permissions, such as access to your messages and storage. Make sure to allow them so the app can work properly. Step 4. Next, look at the top left corner of the app. You'll notice 3 horizontal lines. This is the menu icon. Tap on it, then select the option that says Backup Now. Step 5. Inside the backup menu, you'll see options for what to back up. Make sure the messages option is turned on. You can also turn off the call logs option if you don't want to include that. Then scroll down and tap on Advanced Settings. Step 6. In this section, turn on the option that says Selected Conversations Only. This is super useful if you don't want to back up all your messages. After that, tap on Within Date Range, and you'll be able to set the exact dates for the messages you want to save. Step 7. Once that's done, scroll down to find the More Backup Locations option. Tap on it and select your phone as the storage location. Confirm your choice, then scroll to the bottom, tap on the Backup button, and confirm again to start the process. Step 8. After the backup is finished, go back to the menu by tapping the 3-line icon at the top again. This time, choose the View Backups option. It will open a folder where you can see your saved backups in detail, and tap on it to open it up. Step 9. Now, if you've decided to download any specific messages, find the conversation you want. Tap on the 3 dots next to it, then select the option called Print Conversations. Step 10. In the print preview screen, make sure to choose the Save as PDF option. Then hit the Download button. You can also set a custom location on your device where you want to save the file. Once confirmed, your text messages will be downloaded successfully as a PDF file and access it easily. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.